Dreaming of a healthcare career in Saudi Arabia? It's a land of opportunity, but it all starts with one crucial document, your SCFHS Dataflow report. The Dataflow report is your professional passport. It's a thorough check of your education, licenses, and work history. A way for Saudi Arabia to ensure they're getting the best healthcare talent. This isn't just paperwork. The Dataflow report protects patients by making sure their doctors, nurses, and therapists are top-notch. It's about upholding the highest standards of care. Let's break it down. First, create an account on the Dataflow website, your command center for the process. Gather your documents, everything from degrees to work certificates. Submit your application online, pay the fee, and then the real work begins. Primary source verification. This is where the Dataflow group contacts your schools and former employers directly to confirm everything's legit. It's thorough, but it's worth it. Congratulations, your report is done. Now you're a step closer to working in Saudi Arabia. But remember, this is just the beginning. Feeling overwhelmed? We've got your back. NEAC Medical Exams specializes in helping healthcare professionals navigate this process. Contact us for expert guidance every step of the way. Your dream of a healthcare career in Saudi Arabia is within reach. NEAC can help you with your first step with your SCFHS Dataflow report, and let us be your guide. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more healthcare career tips.